Google has announced the application for its summer 2027 software engineering internship in India. And if you are a student, this is literally going to change the trajectory of your career. Most of the students will find this out after the deadline ends, but don't let that be you. So quickly, let's see how to apply and the important details before applying, which you don't want to miss. So let me quickly share my screen and show you the details. Now you must be able to see my screen. Here you just search for Google Internship 2027, and the first link which you see, you have to click on it. On the right hand side you can see the software engineering intern summer 2027. The location you can see here, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and there is one more location which you can see over here, that's Pune. So you need to apply from here. Okay, and the important document which are required for this is the resume and the transcript. Make sure that you upload the most recent resume here. And one thing to note is you have to apply before June 28th because that's the deadline. Who can apply? The student who are pursuing bachelor, master, or dual degree in computer science or the related technical field. There is some more information about the minimum qualification and the preferred qualification which you can go through. And about this internship, so this is going to be 10 to 12 weeks of summer internship program which is going to start into the May or June 2027. So I think, yeah, that's all about it, and I hope you apply as soon as possible because 28 June is the deadline. So make sure you apply before that, and I wish you all the best. And if there is any question you would like me to answer, so you can comment out that in the comment section. Thank you.